Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best spark plug sockets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best spark plug sockets that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Lexivon Swivel Magnetic Spark Plug Socket. This is a 5/8" spark plug socket sitting on the end of an extension, making for 10 inches of total stretch. A smooth 360-degree ball swivel means one should be able to reach into wretchedly tight engine bays like that of a 1995 Aerostar. A fully polished and chrome-plated mirror finish is said to resist corrosion and is easy to clean. You do wipe your sockets off before firing them back in the toolbox, right? A knurled shaft prevents slipping, though it doesn't run the length, and its size is laser etched into the socket. Moving on at number 4, we have the ARES 5-piece magnetic swivel spark plug socket set. Building on the set listed 2 entries above, this 5-piece set has a series of extensions to assist mechanics and DIY ears intending to tackle multiple jobs on multiple cars. Note there are fewer socket sizes in this kit, 3, not 5, but the varying extension lengths are very handy. Each spark plug socket has 360-degree swivel action for maximum flexibility, while the 5 sizes give you the extra reach you need for tight spots on a wide variety of applications. The sockets' interior magnets retain and protect the spark plug for easier installation. At number 3, we have the OTC Spark Plug Remover Kit. Here's a pro-grade tool whose unique design helps prevent breakage by locking the plug porcelain core to the plug hex. This permits it to turn as one complete unit, rather than exerting torque on the plug itself and risking snapping the thing off. This specific item is designed to help mechanics finding themselves working on blue oval products, particularly those equipped with a 3-valve 4.6L or 5.4L V8 engine. It's also compatible with the jumbo 6.8L V10 found in mid-2000s Ford trucks. At number 2, we have the ARES 5-piece high-visibility spark plug socket set. Unsure of your whip's spark plug sizing, or simply work on a variety of different cars? Picking up a 5-piece set might be a good idea. This unit has a couple of metric sockets along with 3 in-freedom units. The sizes are both etched and hammered into the socket walls. This spark plug socket set includes 5/8", 3/4", 13/16", 14mm, and 18mm sizes plus a handy storage rail. The rubber retaining ring ensures plugs stay on the socket, and the tapered 6-point socket ends grip the flat sides of the fastener head, not corners, to prevent round-off. And finally, at number 1, we have the Editor's Choice Gearwrench 6-point magnetic swivel spark plug socket. This socket is for 5/8" plugs and a 3/8" ratchet drive. An entry angle is said to guide it home more easily and has serrations the depth of the fastener. Large, hard-stamped, not etched, sizing identification marks should be visible even to us old guys with failing eyesight. A knurled grip on the extension shaft provides workers with a non-slip surface for low-torque applications. The interior magnet inside of the socket retains and protects the spark plug for easier installation, and is said to not wear out over time like a traditional rubber gasket.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.